In today's video, I will teach you 3 ways to add text in Gimp. Let's get started. Adding text in Gimp is a common task, whether for graphic design or meme creation. While the text tool in Gimp may have some quirks, understanding its functionality is essential. This comprehensive guide explores the basic process of using the text tool, common issues, the text editor, and provides an alternative option for users who frequently work with text. The first one is by using the text tool, its basics, and its common issues. For the basic process, select the text tool from the toolbox or simply use the shortcut key T for a quick tool switch. Click and drag on the image to create a text box. You can adjust the text settings in the pop-up above the text box. You can position the text box and the text becomes a separate layer. With this method, there are 2 common issues. The first one is kerning challenges. Adding kerning to all text at once may cause baseline issues, so make sure to adjust the kerning individually for better control. And the second common issue is UI interaction. Text settings dialog may appear behind the Gimp interface, making it challenging to interact visually. And here's a couple of tips to avoid these common issues. The first one is presettings. You can finalize text settings before placing it in the image. The second one is layer editing, which involves double-clicking on the text layer thumbnail to edit text settings later. Another alternative approach is the text editor. You can enable Use Editor in the Tool Options panel. Click and drag on the image to define the text area. And the text editor provides additional options, including right-to-left text orientations. However, the text editor may not fully integrate with the hovering tool pop-up, leading to some quirks. It is best suitable for specific scenarios, particularly when working with right-to-left text orientations. And the third way to add text in Gimp is using Inkscape. Inkscape, which is a vector-based program, provides a more robust text handling system. It is ideal for tasks requiring comprehensive text layout options, and it is also useful for users who frequently work with extensive text. Mastering text in Gimp involves navigating the quirks of the text tool and understanding its limitations. While the text editor provides additional options, users may find better text handling capabilities in vector-based programs like Inkscape. Experimenting with both tools allows users to choose the best approach for their specific needs. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.